Getting out of bed for work or school is tough. Despite spending a third of our lives asleep, finding the right bed isn't easy. Do we need all those features for a good sleep? Let's explore some unique beds you've never seen before. Outdoor Mosquito Net Hammock Bed. Most people love spending time in their garden during the summer months, but this can often be ruined by pesky bugs such as mosquitoes. This hammock bed by Hammacher or Schlemmer is the ideal solution. In fact, their website even describes the product as a mosquito the water through the use of a zipped nylon net, which covers the entire structure. Cinema Bed. Polish company, Inex markets this is the world's most advanced bed, and it's easy to see why. It includes everything you need to create the ultimate home cinema experience from the comfort of your bed. Features include a canopy with automatic blinds, LED lights, full sound system, and of course, a retractable cinema screen. Book Bed. This bed was designed by Yusuke Suzuki to combat the lack of space often found in urban apartment blocks in Japan, shaped like a large book. It unfolds to reveal a mattress and pillows from what would be considered the book's pages. That's one way of making stories come to life. La Montana Rusa. This bed from Cuban furniture designers Los Cerros translates to roller coaster, which considering its appearance is totally apt. Pink cushions cover the bed frame as it moves up and down and curves back on itself in annotation of popular rides. But if you're thinking that this bed isn't exactly practical, that's okay. It was actually designed to be a piece of furniture, artwork, and was exhibited at a gallery in New York in 2008. VW Camper Bed. Designed by Circu Magical Furniture. This VW camper van replica is called the Bun Van and was inspired by the Disney film Cars. Its outer shell is made from fiberglass and a chrome-plated finish. Whilst the interior boasts a TV desk, fridge, and sofa, as well as a bed, their range of products also include the Little Mermaid clam bed. Inspired by a reel, the clam bed sits atop rocks and consists of two pieces joined together by a large hinge with the fiberglass coated in a color-changing paint fast. Faze David. This may just be a Dave, but it will set you back a decent sum, almost 10 grand in fact, designed by Vondam. The Fast comes complete with the latest Bluetooth sound system and an illuminated LED lit base. There is also an optional umbrella fabric parasol, which ensures that it's as resistant to extreme cold heat and UV rays. SelfMaking Bed. If there's one household chore that's almost universally hated, it's making your bed in the morning. Enter the SelfMaking Bed by Smart Duvet. It utilizes an inflatable sheet which you can add to your existing duvet cover. This sheet is attached to an air pump, which inflates and returns your duvet to its initial straight and smooth position. Flatua Bed. This bed makes use of a visual illusion to make it appear as if it's levitating. It's the brainchild of Daniele Lago, an Italian designer who developed it in 2004. By attaching the bed to the wall and making use of one undered beam, which can be concealed by lights, the bed gives off the full impression it's floating above the ground. Floating Hammock Bed. This isn't a hammock or a bed. It's a bit of both, known as the floating bed. This product was designed to provide for better sleep and health benefits, all through its gentle rocking motion. The bed features a memory foam mattress and an entirely flat surface to sleep on to make you feel like you're floating through the air. Giant Bird's Nest Bed. This bed is every bit as strange as its name suggests. It's a giant-size replica of a bird's nest. It comes in 3 different sizes, and the biggest one is advertised with space for up to 16 occupants. You'll stretch out on its comfortable egg cushions, which are designed to create ergonomic seating positions. A similar concept was also created by 2 Israeli designers and exhibited at a gallery in 2008. Fetal Seating System Deluxe. This product boasts customers such as Google, EA, and L'Oreal would demand, apparently being so high that it's listed as out of stock on their website. Comprising of 120 soft foam balls, it's big enough to accommodate singles, couples, and families with plenty of space to sink in and float away completely. Yin and Yang Bed. based on the Chinese Yin and Yang symbol. This bunk bed has space for 2 people. It was created by Italian designer Alessio Papa and would be ideal for couples who want to share a bedroom but maintain their own personal space. That being said, its wooden frame doesn't look totally comfortable to sleep on. Hamburger bed. Food and sleep are probably 2 of humanity's favorite things. So it was only a matter of time before someone combined the 2. The hamburger bed is the work of Kayla Cromer, who purchased the 70s-style circular mattress and created the rest herself. After Kayla sold the bed in 2009, it made its way onto the hands of multiple new owners from eBay before finally ending up on display at the Hamburger Museum a year later. Vertical bed. We don't usually think of the process of sleeping as being vertical, but Brazilian designer Ernesto Nido proposed this idea to change that his bed encases sleepers and cushions, much like being eaten by a giant marshmallow. This ensures that their body is supported in an upright position while sleeping. Geometric bed. If you thought this was an art installation rather than bed, I don't blame you, but this really is a bed designed by Jacob and McFarland. Its geometric design includes a cage of metal bars arranged above the mattress that you sleep on, and what surely makes for an unsettling nocturnal experience. Labino. This hammock bed is unique in both design and features. Crucially, you can unhook it and take it down while you need to clean up or create extra space in the room, and it can be rearranged into a sofa. It boasts the weightlessness of a hammock with all the comfort of a beanbag, and that's not all. It's recently been praised by celebrities like Gigi Hadid and Gwyneth Paltrow. Leozip, designed by Italian company Florida Furniture. This is another bed which allows you to ditch those bed-making chores. It appeals to our frustration towards messy sheets by promising that we can simply zip them up into a straight, tidy bed. That's the beauty of it. You'll find zippers along the entire length of the bed where you can attach a fully removable cover, which also doubles as an extra blanket. Magnetic floating bed. This is no illusion, this bed floats for real. The power of opposing industrial strength magnets is what gives this bed its magical floating quality. But what's really impressive is that this bed can hold up to 90 kilograms of weight. There's another smaller version of the bed, which can safely bear 80 kilograms of weight too. Bed bunker. In the past, people kept their money hidden under their mattresses for safekeeping. Bed bunker goes one step further than this by inserting a 10-gauge steel strongbox into a bed frame, and if that wasn't enough to assuage your fears, the steel is a 1/4 inch thick, so you really can rest assured that your valuables are safe. Sonic bed. Designed by Kathy Matthews. This is more of a portable music venue than a piece of bedroom furniture. That being said, it comes with a range of features to create either a relaxing or social experience. As well as playing music to the users, the bed has a webcam and software system built in. Fat knits. If you're a lover of all things knitted, then this bed may interest you. Fat knits allows you to sleep on giant woven threads, which can be spread out to create a mattress on the floor of your choice. It bed. If you've ever wanted to pack up your bed and take it with you, now you can. The It bed is made from 4mm thick cardboard and can be folded up like an accordion for super easy portability. Sofa Bunk Bed. Most people are aware of sofa beds, but what about a sofa which turns into a set of 2 bunk beds? This is the idea created by Bon Bond, which promises compact living solutions with one simple movement. The sofa seat adjusts to provide 2 separate single mattresses. Fetal Position Bed. If you like to sleep in the fetal position, then congratulations. You're the target market for this bed. For everyone else, this seems to require far too much precarious positioning to be a comfortable sleeping experience. Brush bed. Designed by Ron Arad to be one-off item, this bed was genuinely inspired by the toothbrush. Perhaps it's a good thing that this bed isn't available to purchase because it doesn't look altogether comfortable. Therapy bed. This bed may look strange, but it's actually very sophisticated. It's designed with the work of sleep, Dr. Elaine Nicholas in mind, ideal for those who suffer from insomnia. This bed allows sleepers to be surrounded by noise-canceling curtains, which close automatically to provide a perfect sleeping environment. Tranquility Pod. This pod makes use of gentle sounds, lights, and vibrations to lull sleepers into a relaxed state with a design that blocks out 90% of exterior noise. A similar version for quick power naps has also been created by UK-based company Ptro Naps and is called the Sleeper Pod. Barrel Bed. If you're a fan of beer, then this bed is perfect for you because it gives you the chance to sleep like the brew masters of the past. Crafted out of a real 19th century barrel. This bed has room for up to 2 people, but it's a bit of a squeeze. Water bed. Everyone's heard of water beds, but what about a bed that's surrounded by water? Sure. It promises tranquility, and it'd be easy to take a morning swim, but don't sleep here if you're a sleepwalker. Ice bed. If you've heard of the Ice Hotel in Sweden, then this may not come as too much of a surprise. But for everyone else, yes, you really can sleep on a bed, which has a frame that is crafted from ice. It's designed and handcrafted by expert artists from around the world, but even still, the hotel recommends only one night on an ice bed at a time. The frozen mattresses are covered in insulating, reindeer skin and furs to make sure you're adequately protected from the chill. You're also provided with high-tech Arctic-proof equipment, including an expedition, sleeping bag, long johns hats, gloves, and warm socks. So, if you could choose one, which bed would you sleep on forever? Let me know your thoughts on the comments section down below, and thanks for watching.